Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Git in your PC. So to install Git in your PC, you have to go to the browser and type here Git. And here you can see git -scm.com. Okay. So just click here Git. And here you can see now here you will find download for Windows. So click here. And here you can see Git for Windows x64 setup. So click here. I can see it start downloading. Here you can see we have downloaded it. Now let's just go for the installation. And here we just have to double click on it. Click here yes. Next. And then click here additional icon so that it actually create a desktop shortcut. Now click here next. And then
2,000 years later.
And here you can see it start installing. Now here we'll click finish. We have successfully installed it. Now to check it, we have to go for the CMD and open it and type here git --version. Here you can see we have installed Git in our PC successfully, right? Now to check we have added the environment variable or not, you just have to type here env and hit enter. Click here edit environment variable, select path under system variable, click here edit, and here you can see we have Git here, right? So if you don't find it, you have to actually add it manually. So you just have to go to the C drive, your installation drive. In this case, I have installed in C drive, so you have to go to the C drive, go inside of it, and here you will find program files. Here you will find a folder called Git. Here you can see Git, just go inside of it. Here you have folder called CMD, so double click on it, and now click here in the address bar, copy this. So go here and just click here new and edit. Same thing here you can see I have already added, so I'm not going to do this once again. Just click here OK, then OK. Fine. Now you have set it globally and you have successfully installed it. Okay. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.